Picture windows are known for their beauty, expansive views, and ability to bring natural light into a home, but they offer something just as valuable: excellent energy-saving benefits. For homeowners in Loves Park, where winters can be brisk and summers warm and humid, upgrading to picture windows is a smart investment in long-term comfort and efficiency. Because picture windows do not open and are completely sealed, they provide some of the best insulation available in modern window design. Here's how installing picture windows can significantly improve energy efficiency and enhance everyday living for Loves Park residents. A tighter seal that keeps indoor temperatures stable. Unlike operable windows, picture windows don't have hinges, moving sashes, or sliding tracks. This means there are fewer opportunities for drafts, air leaks, or gaps that allow outdoor air to creep inside. Picture windows offer a completely sealed frame for maximum insulation, no mechanical components that loosen over time, a tighter barrier against cold winter winds, improved temperature stability across your home. For Loves Park homeowners dealing with icy winter air, this tighter seal helps keep warmth inside and cold air out, reducing the load on your heating system. Advanced glass technology reduces heat loss and heat gain. Modern picture windows are built with energy-efficient glass systems engineered to improve comfort and reduce energy waste. These technologies are especially beneficial in Illinois, where seasonal changes are significant. Energy-efficient features may include double or triple pane glass for better insulation, argon or krypton gas fills that slow heat transfer, low emissivity coatings that reflect infrared heat, thermal spacers that reduce conduction through the edges in winter. These features help trap warmth inside. In summer, they block solar heat and UV rays, keeping your home cooler without overworking the AC. Natural light that lowers the need for artificial lighting. One of the biggest perks of picture windows is how much natural light they bring indoors. The large, unobstructed glass areas brighten your living space throughout the day, with no energy consumption required. This leads to less reliance on artificial lighting, lower electricity usage, a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere, enhanced mood and productivity by reducing energy usage during the day. Picture windows contribute to long-term utility savings. Improved HVAC efficiency throughout the year. When your windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. Picture windows support this balance better than many other types of windows. Energy-efficient picture windows help reduce how often your HVAC cycles on, minimize strain on heating and cooling equipment, extend the lifespan of your system, lower both heating and cooling expenses. For Loves Park homes, where temperature swings can be dramatic, this improved efficiency is a major advantage. Enhanced comfort in key living spaces. Because picture windows eliminate drafts and offer superior insulation, they make indoor spaces more comfortable to spend time in, no matter the weather outside. Homeowners often notice warmer living rooms and dining rooms in winter, cooler rooms and less sun glare in summer, more even temperatures throughout the home, a cozier, more enjoyable environment year-round. Picture windows turn any room into a more comfortable space for relaxing or entertaining. Long-term savings that add up. While picture windows are visually impressive, they're also a practical investment. Over time, reduced energy consumption leads to lower utility bills, and the savings can be substantial. Financial benefits include lower monthly heating and cooling costs, reduced long-term HVAC maintenance and repairs, increased home value with energy-efficient upgrades, potential insurance or energy rebate incentives. Homeowners often find that picture windows pay for themselves through energy savings over time. Final thoughts for Loves Park residents seeking a smarter, more efficient home: picture windows are an excellent choice. Their airtight design, advanced glass technology, and natural lighting benefits help reduce energy consumption while improving comfort and style. Whether you're updating your living room, enhancing curb appeal, or simply trying to cut utility costs, picture windows offer a beautiful and energy-saving solution.